What up, Cut Up Gang? Got a vlog today. Lunch meet with the crew. Cut Up Gang founders right here. Yeah. So you see right here, we got the 79 Aero Coupe. Y'all gonna see a lot of this on my channel. And the money out today. We still waiting on people to get here and shit. And you see my kids running, my twins. Look at them. All right. CJ done pulled up. What's your YouTube again?
78, yep.
Yep,
so you gonna drive a roof in it?
Yeah, man, I want to. I want to do so much, but you know, I ain't trying to.
If you painting it, do the roof.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
I got to.
Yeah. I see you got the what's names up here. Cause I for sure I seen you with the shaders to get that.
Yeah.
So I was like, damn, he went to shaders to get this, cause shaders, I was gonna do that in the Crown Vic at first.
Okay.
Yeah, but then I was like, my dog, he's like, man, just throw a panoramic roof in that bitch, bro.
Yeah.
So I just went to it, and yeah, but I see you got the guards up there, that's why you couldn't do it.
For you? They put the roof in there?
Yep.
Yeah, they did the roof in the hairliner.
Yeah, he had it on his YouTube.
1600.
Really?
Yeah. See, I thought about that, but then the support.
Drop them. Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You see how
The support beam. Yeah.
Daddy, the inside tool, but the outside range.
Did you see the back seats? They face the back. Look in that back window.
I know, we already saw. Whoa!
Yeah, that's sweet.
He hinge right into the car.
Yeah, I want to do so much, man, but you know, I'm gonna take my time for sure.
Oh yeah, you got to.
Gotta take my time.
Got to, man.
Don't rush the process.
Yeah.
Ain't no point.
Gotta take your time.
Get my shit going too.
Yeah. You wrapped your dash, I see.
Yeah, bags.
Bags in it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch look good.
What are you trying to do?
So the family special. I think you jumped in front of me. You did. I was bullshit bringing it to him.
I ran mine 3 times.
How fresh is the paint?
Really, I'm just
I got it done July 17th. I didn't even drive it.
You see the dark ladder before you walk here? Hey, Daddy.
Got the tops off.
Man, because this hood is fiberglass.
Go away, small.
Keep the size. Big LEDs are there.